So good morning everyone. Now we will be moving forward and looking into a connection practical. We will be connecting Java code with our database in order to use the database in daily life problems. So let's see what the problem statement is. Write a program to implement MySQL database connectivity with Java. Okay, to implement database navigation operations such as add, delete, edit, and fetch. Alright, so for this we will be just creating a very simple and easy uh, database. We will be using the one we previously already have. So use StudentDB. Yes. Now just create a table in it. Create table student ID in integer, set as primary key, name in lag character, okay, set 50, email in lag here, set 100, marks in integer. Decision number, roll number, F name, M name, L name, gender. So I will be using email here for our race as well. We'll remove this first, middle, and last name as one. Just yeah. Let's consider this registration ID as our ID and remove this gender, department ID, all of this section, and just add a name section and marks section in this. So yes, so for that we will simply use delete from student F name, M name, L name, gender, roll number, apartment ID. So it's actually supposed to be alter table student drop F name. So for this I will just copy this. Okay, so I guess the department ID must stay because we have created a foreign key of it in previous programs. So we will just simply use what is left of it now. So let's see, display student enter. So yes, now it has email ID as well. So I can just add in it. Update table, update table student, add first of all for name where character 50, enter table student, add column name where character assigned as 50, enter. Okay, then alter table student, add column. We have name, we have email, we have ID. What else do we have to add? ID, we have name, we have for marks. Yes. So alter table student, add column. So now the table has been created according to our requirement. Now I will insert values in the table. Yeah, so insert into student so now I've created the table and inserted values into the table. So now the database is done. This is all we needed for the database, and now we have to go with Eclipse. for the Java program. So now, as you can see, I have come to Eclipse workspace. I have created a project DBMS connectivity. In that project I created a package with the same name and a class file with student database. I will be using this as the public class. So now let's start writing. First of all, import, we have to import java.sql. You have to import java.sql dot static, enter. Yes, and we have to import java.util. Then the public class student database. We will be creating static final string URL, static final string URL, right? So let's say that it is JDBC dot MySQL localhost, right? MySQL localhost, then 3306. Let's take this one. Then StudentDB as StudentDB, JDBC.mysql localhost. This is StudentDB, or yeah, that will be the URL. Then enter static final string user, who the user is. For that we take root, that's the user. Enter static final string password. So static final string password. That's our password. Now we go with the main public static void main string public static void main string arguments. We create scanner here now. So we create a scanner new scanner system protein. This scanner we created a new scanner system.in. Then we give a try block. So class for name class for name e SQL dot cj dot JDBC dot driver. Now connection is equals to driver manager dot get connection URL. Get connection string URL, string user, string password, right? Just what do we do here? Paste this whole thing, copy. So yes, we have created this URL user password. In main we created a scanner, new scanner. Now we are doing try block. We have created connection for driver get connection at this. Now we have to come and get system dot out. Yes, system dot out. Yes, okay, I forgot this. S is capital. System dot out dot println system.out.println connected to MySQL database successfully. Yes. Connected to MySQL database successfully. Happy signs and colon. This it is done. Now we have integer choice. A do block. Here we just have to take in the various choices that we want to take. So in this do loop I have printed system.out.print various choices I have given. We have created switch case for it. So switches for it, case 5 in total. Then this default, if there is an invalid choice, we take a default. And then further on, yeah, so if this target blocks works and we put on it, then enter. Here actually it has to be a while statement. While the choice is not 5. Yes, while choice is not 5, because then they will break. So we have given a while loop. While it's not 5, it will keep on running. And then enter con dot closer close expand dot close. Then we catch the exception. For that we do catch exception E. E dot print print stack. This is throwable, so Yes, so we are here. I will put another statement right over here as of now. This is to add, let's say, to add new students. Private static void add student. This add student function we have created. We're going to give connection con comma scanner sc, right? It will throws SQL SQL exception. Yes. So this SQL exception, we take okay, system dot out dot println println enter ID integer ID is equal to the scanner dot next ln. Integer ID scanner dot next integer. Duplicate method add student in time. So overall, we have created input for ID. Then we create input similarly for other things, such as for now we have created for ID. We will create for name, email, and for marks. So for similarly for enter name, I have taken scanner next line, and for email I have taken scanner next line. For the email is equal to scanner. Same for marks, next integer. So this is a public static void statement created. So now what we create, we will now take string queries we want to perform in the database and paste them here instead. So string query insert into student ID, name, email, marks. Values, let's say assign 104, comma, name as Atharva, comma, mail as example.com. And what else we have to take? Marks. So comma marks, let's say 70. Likewise, yes. So where were we? Yes. So now I have taken this string query. Okay. So how will this be performed? So what we, okay, P is tends to be, yeah. We have prepared statement PS. Yeah, our prepared statement is equals to con dot prepared statement in query we want, right? So we have prepared statement PS. We use the connection dot prepare in, we've taken this prepare statement as query, so this will get run in the database when we do same. So let's say now PS dot, we want to set something, so let's say set integer one ID nine. Same for PS dot we will use set string marks. Let's say we assign 4, then we do the same for other as well. Again PS dot set string. This time let's say we do it for name, PS dot set string assign ID, name, mark, it's the email. Likewise, So now again, all we have to do is integer rows is equal to ps dot use execute update. So yeah, execute update. So this will execute and this will update the database. If now we are taking if statement for if the rows are greater than 0. Yes, if the rows are greater than 0, in such case print statement will be student added successfully. Okay. And we will close the ps so now I did this string query operation here, uh, insert into student. For now, the way I have done for insert, the same way we can do it for other as well. So let's say we are creating a result set, then we can use instead of ps which we have used here, uh, we just took it as prepared statements. So if we are using result set or statement, we can just take st or rs as like objects to basically execute and update the databases from Java itself. So now let's first of all remove any syntax errors if there are. Hmm. Error token expected. Okay, so we just remove this. Delete this token. The overall program now seems fine and everything should run well. Now let me show you once. Let's run the program. Java.lang class not found exception. Okay, so this issue is coming up. Let's see why it's happening. So I guess we have to get this connector first. Okay. Yes. Here's a platform independent one. Select Debian, Red Hat, Fedora. Yeah, this should be the one. Architecture independence, compress the archive. You must extract all. So what we have to do is now extract it. Inside you will find a file like this. Add it to your project. Now we have found this file. Look. We have found this file to be SQL connector. Right here, right? That's what the MySQL connector, right? Is it MySQL? Yes, it is MySQL. So further they have said us to do, we have to add it in our. So let's see how we do that. Right click your project. This is my project. I will right click it. Build path. Yes, this is build path. Here add external archive. Add external archive. Select the jar file. Okay, so that file is in downloads. Yeah, I select this file, project structure libraries. Okay, now I have added it in. Now I have to do is Eclipse. I have done it. Okay, so now overall it is done. It should run well now. This is incorrect. There must be a small typo in your connection string. Localhost. Notice the colon after JDBC. It should be. Okay, I guess I made a little bit of mistake. Yes, here. Now we'll run again. Okay, I must see if show variables like port. So I must first of all see this. It is running on 3306. Mm. Okay. Correctly or your project, you are using the correct driver name. This is your driver. So first of all, mysql.jdbc.driver. I am using it quite correct though. Use JDBC URL. The URL should be this localhost StudentDB. It is correct. Let's once see here. Show database. It's StudentDB. So let's try to make this as small as well as here DB. If this works, StudentDB. DB and S also small. Yes, overall I have done. Okay, so we have actually completed this program. We'll look into the errors and the rest later. So thank you for joining till now. We will continue the remaining in the next part.